Hello everyone, what's up? It's me, your favorite hairbell, Super Rich Boy, back here with my, well not back here, here with my very first video. Now, that we're in a server, the server will be in the link below, but now we are playing Jigsaw. You know, like Saw, that thing right there. Now, if you don't know, Jigsaw is, well the movie was called Saw, please don't touch the pressure plates. Saw was basically a movie where this guy trapped these people in these rooms. I think there was like puzzling, and if they did it wrong, they died. It was a horror movie. Very famous. This is Jigsaw puzzle. So basically, it's a couple of puzzles and some things. So yeah, let's go. Level 2. Only Hunger Game fans can survive this level. Who is District 13's president? Well, I've already done this, and I know it is Alma Coin. Alma Coin. Boop. Next one is level 3. Only braves can survive this level. Let yourself go. Let it go. Let it go. That movie's ridiculously famous. Yeah, it's a word. Ridiculously is a famous. It's a word. Don't let your eyes guide you. Okay. There is a hidden button at the exit. Press it to win. Okay. Now I know what to do. Just watch me, and you shall learn the ways of the maze. The maze. Go this way. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Now go. Now, I can't use checkpoints because you got to be a sponsor. Level 5. Are you a good swimmer? Now I've done this part. This one is kind of, at first it may seem frustrating, but after a while you'll get used to it, and you will swim your way to victory. Of course, this is the last level. No. We got tons of more. I haven't not finished it though, because there's just one level that I don't know. Oh no! I'm in lava. Okay. Oh, get up. Oh, no. Wow. That stunk. Hi. Hello. Hey. Back to the drawing board. You'll be able to say that checkpoint in level 11. So it's your... Level 1 is basically Eva, Molly. Alright. Level 2, level 12. Okay. Alma Coin. Turn around. Cowabunga! Boop. Turn around. Alright, let's do this. Nope, copyright. Alright, continue. Turn right. Boop. Ow! Hit glass. Alright. Alright, here we go. Out of the tiger. No. Oh, okay, let's regen a bit. Just a bit. We're not gonna regen all the way. Well, I guess we can go on a little. This is scary. You have no idea how scary this is. This is scary. And if you want to see the movie, then get it on Netflix, rent it, Redbox, look for it, store, Walmart, Kmart. Another fail. Dagnabbit. Fail. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully this time we'll be able to do it. We're doing it, guys. We're gonna make it. Speedrun. Follow the bumblebee. Ow. No, I don't want to die. Oh, I almost died from that. That would have been shameful. But this is shameful. Remember, guys, don't just walk into it, jump into it so you go through fast. You don't want to... Hey. Ha! Let's do this. Okay, what's that? What's that? What's that? I don't know. Maze of weed. You know what you're probably saying, but Super Weight Boy, hay and weed are totally different. But you know, Super Hay Boy, that sounds stupid. Super Weight Boy, that sounds good. I don't know, I'm a hay bale. But hey, don't judge. It's a name. You know, I don't have to have a perfect name. Okay, too boy. No, that was too high. Oh, I thought that was too high. Jump, no, not today. A little too high. Okay. It's okay. Just believe. Just believe. Just dance. Just dance. Dan it. Just dance. Dan it. Okay. Okay. Now guess what time it is, everybody? Karaoke time with Super Weight Boy. Okay. Alright, we're back full health. Just don't ask for help. Just go straight for it. Okay, this is the level I'm stuck on. Come on, make it. Okay. There's water over there. I can make it. I can make it. Yes! Oh, like a boss, man. Like a boss. Oh, no. Oh no! There's zombies! There's zombies! Let me out! Let me out! Oh, dude. Okay, 26 seconds with blindness. I can deal with that. 27. Stay back! Back! Back, I say! Back! Back! Back, I say! Okay. Oh my goodness, no one has leather armor! Ah! 14 seconds. No, stay back! I'm warning you! I am a karate master. I have trained in Jiu-Jitsu, Krav Maga, and the Hado. Kamehameha, Hadouken, Shoryuken. I don't know. That was actually kind of easy. Level 8. Oh, crud. What does Katniss take from Cornucopia in Hunger Games 1? I don't know! How would I know? If you pass level 2, this must be a piece of cake. I don't know! How would I know? I watched Hungry. Bow and arrow. A knife. Backpack. Oh, yes! I was right! Stone. Level 9. Stone is the code. I got a bad feeling about this, Joey. Help! No! I was so far. Okay, I seriously need to become a sponsor. So I can... Well, hold on, guys. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment. Abu babu. Abu babu. Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you next time. It's me, Super Weight Boy, saying goodbye. Goodbye. Please subscribe, leave a comment.